The Hālau is a school. For us and our family, it's a school of dance, a school of hula. There is a protocol in the Hālau. You need to give a chant and ask permission to enter. And we will listen to you if it is at our Hālau and see if you're very sincere about this. And then we chant back to you and allow you to come in. We have these kinds of chants for almost anything. When we go up to the forest, we have a chant to ask permission to go in the forest and gather different things to make our lays or gather medicine. And all of this is just a sense of asking permission, knowing that there is something there that guards and protects and takes care of these different things. It's a very humbling thing to ask permission. And if it's even more humbling when you are, of status to ask permission. And sometimes we all need to do that.
Hi'iaka and Wahinio Ma'o reach the island of Kauai and seek the home of a gifted seer, keeper of Pele's history. But only his wife is at home, noisily pounding her kapa cloth. Hi'iaka requests permission to enter her home, but the woman feigns indifference. Her haughty rudeness receives a sharp rebuke from Hi'iaka.
Kūnihi Ka Mauna I ka laʻi o Waiʻaleʻale laʻi Wailua. Huki aʻela I ka lani, Kapaʻa o Kawaikini. Ālai aʻela Nounou, Nalo Kaipuhaʻa, laulā mauka o Kapaʻa. Mai paʻa I ka le